working on the Audi again. We just did rear diff bushing inserts. Now we're about to do transmission mounts. We're doing the transmission mount next, and this is it. From ECS, comes with 2 Allen bolts and the mount and a tube of grease. The transmission mount is right here, and it's held on by 2 T50 Torx bolts. This is one of them, and the other one we already took off. So we're gonna break those loose and get them out. Just using a regular kit. Broke it loose with a regular hex on this one because the Torx bolt, the head was damaged.
Yeah,
So
somebody previously removed it.
yeah, the T50 had too much play in it, so
Didn't want to risk it in the head.
put a regular hex socket in it, and
Yeah, 8mm.
it's an 8mm, and it came out pretty easy. So if the T50 is stripped, the 8mm got it out easy.
Yeah, we don't reuse this bracket either. Or the bolts.
Yeah, the ECS kit comes with everything new.
Yeah, new bracket and bolts. Look at all that scrape, boy. Low life. I don't need that. And then the new bolts are 6mm, so it's all good. That should work good. Alright, we don't need none of this no more.
Got the new transmission insert over here. Putting some grease on it.
Yeah, it only goes in one way too.
Yeah, it
So,
only goes in one way, so it's easy to put on.
Yeah, you can't screw it up.
And it came with new 6mm hex head bolts. And we have to torque these down to 15 foot-pounds. Throw some blue thread locker on this.
Yep.
And then tighten them up.
Anybody need some extra grease? Some high quality grease stuff there, man. Alright, put this on here, like so. And then we need what we need. We need this, and Loctite. Like so. Oh, that's it. It went in. That was fast.
Both the bolts caught. We're just gonna tighten it up until it touches the bushing, and then we'll use a torque wrench to torque it.
Alright. Let me check this one back. Yeah, they're both tight.
We went to 17 and 16.
I know. 15 seems like nothing, man.
That's it for the transmission mount inserts. So jacking it down. And it's all done. It was like a 10-minute job. We do have 2 more packages for this car for more mods to come. So that video will be coming out eventually. Probably do that next weekend. Or this weekend?
No, I gotta work this weekend, so next weekend.
Yeah, so we're doing that next weekend.
Yeah. Yeah, next weekend. These 2. What do you think is in here? ECS as always.
Yep, some more ECS parts for the Audi.